Hi everyone, today on this video I want to show you a different type of betta fish and rare colors. You can see here is one. I just want to add water so you can see this color. Look at, I will put more water. Look at this beautiful color. This is a red and blue pink betta fish. On the top you will see like this, and here is the true color. I want to show you more rare like this. Is this one? I put two here, but I want to select. Look at this. This is different for the first one. This is little purple gray red betta fish. You can see the color is so different, and also the size are also beautiful. Let me see another one here. You can see this one is super beautiful. Look at this blue pink red betta fish. Look, if I put here you will see difference. You can see the color here. Look at this color. Look, that one. So I want to show you now the blue. People talk about blue and pink. Let me show you and put water here. I'll put more water. Okay, here you have the blue and the pink. This is the normal color you can see, but this is plakat, Turkish blue and female pink blue. I want to show you another one here, white betta fish. Where is the white one? Okay, one of the white is here. I just want to show you here the white betta fish here. Let me catch for you to see. Okay, I have many fish here I catch now, but I want to remove just to stay with the pink. Okay, I have the pink now here, the white and little green. You can see this is beautiful fish here. Look at the reflection of the sun. You will see this is beautiful color of betta fish. Okay, I want to show another one here. This is super mutation. Look at this mutation. On the top you can't see that this is a betta fish, but here you can see this mutation here. Super beautiful betta fish. Now I want to show another one here. I don't know if I catch him. Red head. There is two types of betta fish here. You can see the difference. One is red head, I call ninja pink, and another one, you can see another ninja pink there. You can see that here is the pink head. Let's see if I can catch. Yeah, now I catch just one of them. You can see the pink head. This one is pink head. The small one is the normal pink, and the big one is pink head. So I want to show you now super rare white green betta fish. I'm just showing the plants to outside here so you can see one of neutral color betta fish. This one is no color. You can see it's no color, only white. It's neutral color, but I want to show you other one here. You can see this one also. Look at this. Look at this color here. Look at this beautiful color. This is super rare blue Betta fish. And you can see on this pond there is no filters and no water pump, just some trimestral water change. If the water dry, I used to increase the water. There is a lot of bettas here. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. There is another one I want to show you, but it's too far from here. Is that one? You see the reflection green there? I will try to catch him. Oh, he's running. Wow, one of the beautiful I found now. Look at this. Wait. Wow, hey, this one is so beautiful. Look at this beautiful betta here. I just want to show. Look at the backpack, white with orange. Look at this betta, white with orange. I have two of the here. Look, white and orange. Wow, this is so beautiful. Nice. Hope you like it. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Subscribe.